Lipec svatu. There's this Slovenian foodie, her name is Teresa, and in one of her last videos she made burek. I miss burek so much. Wanna know what burek is? It's kind of like Turkish Balkan dish with dough filled, rolled or layered and then baked with a lot of oil and water. And it's crunchy and greasy and yummy and delicious. La 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 la. Flour, oil, salt, water and vinegar. Okay, now for the filling. This is gonna be a complete improvisation. So let's check in the fridge. What do we have? Walking to the fridge. Let me see. Oh, no, wait. No, it's not possible. Hey, come on, guys. That's not funny. There's no onion. ¿Por qué, Maria? ¿Por qué? What if I do like cabbage? Cabbage, tomato concentrate, soy meat, onion, garlic, spices, and of course oil. First, for the dough, we place everything in a bowl and mix it and then knead it. Yeah, put some muscle in it. Then we oil our bowl. We oiled our dough also. Spank it and put it covered in the fridge. Shooby baba. For our filling, we will first soak the soy meat. Do this to the onion and this to the cabbage. Yeah. Pan, oil, and oh my god, then we're gonna just like roast everything together with salt and with spices. Like 10 minutes, okay guys? 10 minutes. And this is just me bragging how I can flip vegetables. Wow, amazing. Okay, slow motion, wow. Okay, do this to the garlic, then drain the soy meat. And yeah, start cooking everything together. Add also our garlic heart and tomato concentrate. Also adjust the taste, because this, you know, needs to taste appropriately. Please, thank you. Okay, the time to roll, stretch our dough has come, and I realized I don't have a cloth, because that's very important with this type of dough, that you have like a fabric. So they were freshly washed. Yeah, last year. Come on. Okay, this is how I prepared my working space. I know, amazing. And then I started rolling and pulling it up, and it didn't work, guys. It didn't work. I want to be transparent. The first dough didn't come out well, because this dough for burek needs to be like so smooth. It needs to, you can stretch it like so easily. So I started making a new one. I just changed the ratio of ingredients a bit. You can find the recipe below. I will show you how it looks like now. Okay, let me show you the difference. This is before. You can see it's very hard. And this is now. It's so soft. It's like a poop. Let's try it again. And I tried it for a second time and it was much better. Not perfect for sure, but yeah, you stretch it like this. Then you oil it, fill it, roll it, put it on an oiled tray, put some oil and water on it. Here we go, to the oven for about an hour. Every 20 minutes, add some mixture of water and oil on top. So it will be nice and crispy and crunchy. Okay, and when it's done, cover with foil and wait a bit, if you can wait. And now it's ready to eat, guys. Look at these amazing shots. I mean, whee! Cut it, girl. Okay, so let's end this madness. Here is our burek, baby. Okay, let's try it. I think it's really tasty. But let's put some criticism. I definitely made it, I think, too big. I mean, it's very XXL burek, so I could make 2 small swirls or, you know, just like sticks. I think it would bake even better. Actually, I take it back. The more I cut, look at these layers. Make it at home today. I tried to make this dough a couple of times before and I always kind of fail. It should be rolled or stretched much thinner. I think it's art, and I know some Slovenian ladies who have been doing this and they know really well, you know, how to make amazing dough, like my grandmother or my husband's mom. So I think when I come back to Slovenia I will film them how to make it, because even on the internet when you look at these ladies how they do it, it's like mine is double as thick as theirs. So I think those are the minuses, but flavor-wise I think it's really good. You have the recipe for the dough and the filling down in the comments. Not in the comments, down in the description. If you don't feel like doing the dough, you can still buy filo dough from the store. Burek, you know, should go worldwide, I guess. If you have any suggestion what to cook next time, write below. And yeah, also if you have any other comments, share, like this video, and stay safe. Bye. Oh, you want to know what burek is? Will we tell them? Huh?
Ja. Moraš tudi v vsakem videu biti, ne? Au, ne, na prstek.